Daily household chores. My mom is cooking food in the kitchen. My sister is setting the table for dinner. I am washing the dishes in the sink. My brother is taking out the trash. Grandma is folding the laundry. Grandpa is watering the garden plants. My aunt is sweeping the floor. We are cleaning the windows. My cousin is dusting the furniture. My brother is washing the car in the driveway. My sister is feeding the pets. My dad is fixing the leaky faucet. My brother is grilling burger in the backyards. I am baking a cake for dessert night. I am making the bed. My brother is raking the leaves in the yard. My dad is mowing the lawn. My sister is ironing the cloth. My sister is packing lunches for school. My sister is polishing the silverware. My mom is vacuuming the living room carpet. I am wiping the kitchen counters. Together, we are keeping our home neat and organized. And subscribe our channel.